Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday. Time check. Friday, 16th of May. Time check. 4:09. And the weather for today is 9 degrees. Clear. 9 degrees. It's the same as yesterday ang weather. Winter again. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Parang December. So, yun lang everyone ang update. See you later after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. And then, yan. Part-time lang sa umaga at sa gabi. At makuha mo rin ang isang 8 oras. And that's it at the moment. Yung update. Daily routine ng Friday. Thank God it's Friday, everyone. See you when I see you. Good morning, everyone. Kain tayo. Breakfast at the moment. Time check. 5:28, everyone. Waiting for everyone. Good morning, everyone. I take the bus 7 this morning because I'm too late to go because of the kids. My sister Jocelyn. Ayan, time check, 10:20 na. Bago ako nakauwi, everyone. Init pero malamig. So, yan lang everyone. At magluto tayo ng tanghalian. Kasi parang walang para kay mother at sa kuya. Tingnan natin. Parang walang ulam. Bye at the moment. See you later everyone sa update. Update lang. Na ano ko kanina. Masama yung aking nararamdaman. Natuwel ako, natuwel. Ayan lang everyone. See you later. Sisig bangus and egg. Fried egg. Ha? Sa tapat ng bahay? Ayan everyone. Sisig bangus. Kain tayo. Patanghaliang. Saan? Isip-isip. Good afternoon everyone. Time check. 3:10 p.m. Pasok tayo ng maaga. because today is Friday, everyone. So, para makauwi ng maaga. Dahil unti Friday mo lang. Yan lang everyone ang update. See you after 2 trains and 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes walk. Bye. See you when I see you. Already at the train, everyone. First train. That's it, everyone. Oh, time check. 15:51. I'm already here. Nearly at the venue. So, see you later, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Early bird ako, 16:01 pa lang. So, kain tayo. Ito pala. Merienda. With water. Bottled water. Wala pa yung aking mga kunig. Ngayon, diba? See you when I see you. Hello everyone. We're going to Tesco. As usual, Friday today. So, let's ano to yung let's visit Tesco.
Ayan, ganda si Sir.
And there's a like the fountain. Is it fountain? Ha?
Ano siya, no? Naka-curve parang.
Yeah, ang galing na. Yeah. Galing na. Ah. Ha? It's like magnet. May tubo ba? No, wala. Yeah, hold on. Hold it.
Baka mag-round na.
Hindi, tinan mo nga. Galing, no?
Ikaw nga, hawakan mo. Meron siya, oh.
No. Oh, wala. Ah, see? Algate top pala to. Galing, no? It's magic. We're going to Tesco. The Tesco is here. Naigno kami dun, ah. Sorry, everyone. Everyone, ang pinaksa namin sa Tesco. Ayan. Tayo.
Ay, video.
Mango kami ngayon. Sarap. Yummy.
Dalawan.
Oh, let's go. I'm home, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Good night. God bless after this eating. Love you all.